Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law Number 2. My name is Judge Terrence Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here in County Court at Law Number 2. This morning, we have 3 dockets. We have our pretrial conference docket, our trial docket, and our announcement docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are not represented by an attorney, when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself. First case is Rodrigo Aguilar Castillo.
No.
Mr. Aguilar Castillo, your full name is Rodrigo Aguilar Castillo?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
Doing fine, how about you, sir?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Doing well, good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And the state is represented by Attorney Kenise Williams. Williams, how are you doing?
Doing well, thank you.
Now, Mr. Gilthorpe,
Yes, sir.
what is your announcement in Mr. Aguilar Castillo's case?
He's been accepted in a pretrial
Oh, yes.
diversion, and so we're just waiting to get signed up. If we could have a reset to get his contract
Okay.
signed.
Is the contract signing in February? Because I think that's the next one.
To be honest, with you, I don't know when it's happening. I just know he's been accepted into, and we're just waiting on the contract. I don't know when they're signing date. Whenever the next one is, he'll be on it.
Okay, so it's February, it's the first Thursday in February, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset date at second week of February.
February 9th.
Okay, this case will be reset to February 9th, 2026.
Get used to it, Judge.
Yeah.
Get used to it.
Okay, give you opportunity to sign up for pretrial diversion. First, this is Rodrigo Aguilar Castillo on page 4 of the announcement document. Mr. Castillo, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go.
Okay, thanks, sir.
And you have a blessed day. Next,
Manuel Sanchez, he's on the trial docket.
yes, Manuel Sanchez Oliva. Mr. Sanchez Oliva, your full name is Manuel Sanchez Oliva. How are you doing? I'm good, thanks for asking. And Mr. Gilthorpe, you like to keep Mr. Sanchez Oliva case on the trial docket?
Yes, Judge, we're ready.
Okay. Give us your trial date.
February 9th.
Okay, this case will be reset for trial February 9th, 2026. Okay?
Thank you, good.
That must be Mr. Law right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Happy New Year to you.
Okay, court is in session in three cases. Cause numbers 25 CCCR 1838, cause number 25 CCCR 1691, and cause number 24 CCCR 1815. All three cases are styled the state of Texas versus Kendricks James Noel. Ms. Noel, is that your full name?
James Noel.
Yes, how are you doing?
Hey.
You doing okay? That's good. Now, Mr. Noel, you represented by your attorney Thomas Burbank. Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
Oh, fine, dude.
And state is represented in this case by Attorney Shane Hilton. Mr. Hilton, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Burbank, what is your announcement on Mr. Noel's cases?
District Attorney made a new offer this morning. That may be dispositive of these cases. So I would ask just for a short time, so I can talk to my client and maybe dispose of these.
Okay. You just needed like a standard reset? Or what are you saying, a short time?
We can do 30 days, Your Honor.
This is Kendricks Noel, page 1 of the pretrial conference docket. February 9th? Okay. Mr. Noel, your cases will be reset to February 9th of 2026 at 9 AM. You'll get a copy of your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get a copy from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go.
There you go.
And you have a blessed day.
Oh. February 9th,
That's a bad day.
9 o'clock.
Yes, February 9th.
There would be excuse to that date, Judge.
Yes.
Have a seat right over there.
Mr. Grove, you ready on your case, or you need more time to talk to the prosecutor?
Ready, Judge.
Okay.
We check something.
I have to check on.
You have to check out, I'll hold on it.
Thank you.
Step up to you, sir.
Okay, that's fine. See, Boudreaux is talking to the prosecutor. We have any pro ses? Okay.
Give us the burden. Thank you.
Cameron Moore. Who's the brother? Okay, Shane.
No. Yeah. No.
Okay, this is court is in session in two cases, cause number 25 CCCR 2850 and cause number 25 CCCR 1524. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Cameron E. Moore. Mr. Moore, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Moore? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Moore, you represented in cases by your attorney, Langston Adams. Mr. Adams, how are you doing?
Can't complain, sir.
And Mr. Adams, what is your announcements in Mr. Moore's cases?
Judge, he's informing me that he doesn't have any convictions, so I think when being young, maybe we can do a drug diversion program,
So you're gonna apply for pretrial diversion?
see what they say. I mean, if he's telling me he don't have anything.
Okay. Give us a reset date.
Who is this, John?
This is Cameron E. Moore.
Yeah, which side? Oh,
Announcement docket, the first two cases.
okay, February 23rd.
Okay, these cases will be reset to February 23rd, 2026. Mr. Moore, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. Please stand before the court coordinator. Hannah Gail Smith,
I checked with your bailiff and she's not here to.
she didn't answer. Okay. You wanna hold on that and
Call me.
call it later? You can wait toward the end. Well, I gotta call it right now. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 1700. Case of style of the state of Texas versus Hannah Gail Smith. Hannah Smith was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m. The court's bailiff called the name of Hannah Smith at the courthouse door. Hannah Smith did not answer. The time now is 9:40 a.m. on today's date of January 5th, 2026. Miss Bailiff, would you please call the name of Hannah Smith?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hannah Smith's name was just called again at the courthouse door by the bailiff. Hannah Smith did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Smith an opportunity to appear in court. State, do you have a motion?
I say move for bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
Okay. That motion will be granted. Hannah Smith bond will be forfeited and the warrant shall be issued for arrest and cause number 25 CCCR 1700. Okay. Next case is
I got Barrett, Judge.
Barojas. Okay.
Yeah, he's here, right? He's for. And just to get a resolution on this case, so it don't be on your docket. I talked with the state. They agreed to a bench trial, so you can sit as soon as you want to for a bench trial. And then that'll resolve it. I mean, you can do it next week if you want to. Bench trial.
Do y'all need some time? So you wouldn't, I don't know.
I would ask for at least 2 weeks. Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, we'll give you a 2-week reset.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
Give
Bench
it-
trial.
Okay.
The bench trial form.
I need to open trial.
Yes,
Yeah.
Oh, where's?
it should be in the stack of forms. You need it for bench trial, waiver jury trial.
I can do that. I can give it to you right now. I have my client sign it. This, you talking about this one right here?
It says waiver of jury?
That's the one.
Yeah, waiver of jury trial.
I'll sign it. I have him sign it right now, Judge. That
Okay.
way you can have it. This very.
And we're gonna reset it 2 weeks. This is Barojas, Alberta on the first two on the trial docket. Okay, let me see it.
I signed it, so.
Oh, let me put the cost numbers. Oh, hit the assistant, the criminal district attorney. Then you put his, the cause number and,
Yeah, look.
defendant's name.
2 weeks, so. Maybe what, Monday, right? 2 weeks ago, exactly.
Y'all want it on a Monday?
Yeah, on
A
Monday,
bench trial?
on Monday.
Okay, you said 2 weeks?
Yes.
Or do we need to set it on a Wednesday or Friday?
Not Friday.
The 19th.
But I can do.
The 19th is a holiday,
Yes.
It's
Fine.
not-
so we could do it that Wednesday.
This will be our jury.
Okay, Wednesday, do it on a Wednesday,
It's a bench trial.
bench trial on Wednesday,
So it's gonna be, February 21st.
that'll work,
Okay.
whatever that Wednesday is,
Okay.
that'll work. We good.
So it's reset for bench trial. Hold on, let me. Let me see. Okay. Okay, Mr. Barojas, would you please raise your right hand? You swear firm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. Mr. Barojas, I have before me a waiver of jury trial in cause numbers 25 CCCR 1166 and cause number 25 CCCR 1186. Mr. Barojas, do you recognize this motion
Yes.
or this waiver?
Yes.
Now, is this your signature on the line that says defendant?
Yes.
Now, before you signed this document, did your attorney go over this document with you?
Yes.
Did you understand everything that he went over?
Yes.
Is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Okay? We don't file that. Okay, Mr. Barajas, your case will be set for a bench trial on February 21st, 2026 at 9 a.m. You can get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset from the court coordinator, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Adams, I think that's
That's
your
it.
last case. Okay,
Thank
you're
you, Judge.
free to go as
Appreciate
well and you have a blessed day.
All right, thank you, thank you.
I'm sharing more right now.
Oh, okay, cool.
Thank the gentleman is trying to get somebody one of y'all attention. Gentleman right here.
Yeah. Oh, I guess you can get with them.
Yeah.
I do it with them.
Nice meeting you. And it should be,
So we do. Thank you.
no, we should offer it on the, like, that's a, I'm gonna change.
Thank you. Yeah, I sent you some emails with some other people.
Yeah, I've got that one bottom. My desk, I got it.
Cool.
I'm still in COVID this afternoon, so maybe tomorrow.
Is Haley coming back on Russo?
I think she was waiting for, Mr. Gallimore,
Oh, okay.
and I think that they were in 252nd.
It's, the county. Patient back.
February, though. She said February, Wednesday.
Oh, Tom Kelly?
Yeah, you go to,
They,
you said 2 weeks. Y'all said 2 weeks.
right, that well, that Wednesday.
I don't know.
That'll work, that's cool.
His client is here, Margarita Loza.
Long.
It is, yeah, he filed the last.
He must have,
It's changed, or y'all said.
Marcus Kipling. It was recent, right?
February 23rd.
Mr. Kidling, your full name is Marcus Pascal Kidling? Pascal, that's, how are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Kidling, you have a felony case that has been reset to February 23rd, 2026. Okay, so it's out of the same criminal episode. So we're going to reset this misdemeanor case with that same, on the same date.
Okay.
And so you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you'll do on that day like you did today. Come here and check in, and then go to a felony case or felony court. And once you finish with your felony case, then you come back to this court and let us know what's happened. Okay? You're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
That was February 23rd.
February 23rd. What about Shane Leger? Here. Kelly McBride, Shane Leger. Yeah, why don't you come on out?
McBride was who, Audrey came in for. And he's gonna file a letter of rep and come back with, a felony case is received.
Okay. Mr. Leger, your full name is Shane Tyler Leger. How are you doing?
Good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Leger, you have a felony case. Is it set today? I see it's February the 9th. Okay, we're going to, now, I see here that the last time that you appeared in court, you stated that you hired Ralph Kimler. Do we have a letter rep? Okay, we're gonna check to see if he's filed a letter of representation. So your attorney has not filed a letter of representation. What that means is, if you hired him, he's required to send a letter to the court informing the court that he has been hired. You think they missed?
I could call up
Labor
his
Day?
office today. I could call his office today. I mean, it's not in here.
Okay, so we're gonna reset this to to February 9th. That's the same date he has his felony case set. To give Mr. Kimmel an opportunity to file his letter of representation, okay?
Yep.
So you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. Okay, stand in front of the court coordinator.
You said Audwin was hired on.
He said, she said it, yeah, Kelly McBride. She's in felony court right now.
Oh,
Mr. Boudreaux, are you ready on your cases? You need me to hold?
Yes.
Okay, I'll hold on it. Did Attorney Faggett case was this,
Yes.
in this case, they were reset.
Yes.
The attorney.
They want the complainant to sign an affidavit. She's on her way up here,
Okay,
and we'll get that taken care of this morning, I believe.
okay, thanks. Good morning, you, Mr. Love.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Welcome.
Mr. Love is from Houston, Judge,
Okay.
or really from North Carolina.
Oh, really? Okay. What part of North Carolina?
Fayetteville.
Fayetteville. Hey, Fed State is in Fayetteville, right?
Yeah.
HBC.
Happy J files, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
I'm an Alpha, but he.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's kind of-
Say, oh. I went to University of Hawaii, when the first year. So, went to-
Oh. I'm gonna get, let's see, Sarah Chrysler. Good morning, how are you doing?
I'm good, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. Your full name is Sarah Chrysler. That's good. Now, you're represented in your case by Attorney William Love, and Mr. Love, again, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. Now, what is your announcement in Ms. Chrysler's case?
But not guilty.
And are you announcing oh, do you need some time to continue to negotiate with the attorney or to the district attorney's office and get discovery?
So we have discovery, Your Honor. State has made an offer. I plan on submitting this motion to suppress.
Okay,
So I just need to reset to.
so you're gonna file it and then
We'll take our standard time to respond. We respectfully request if we can be able to set it for a hearing. I'm thinking toward the end of February, to middle to the end of February, Judge.
yeah, I was thinking about 60 days. Because
That'll give us
yeah,
enough
give them
time.
time to respond out.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we can, let's put it on
You want to set timelines for us, Judge? Get the
Usually,
motion
if you can get it in-
my response.
I have it in by
We can
this
do-
week, Your Honor.
so we'll hold off on giving the reset.
Just wanna give him a standard
Yes.
reset once he filed the motion.
Well, let's do this here. If he files it this week, give him about 30 days to respond. We still could reset it 2 months out.
So you want to set it 2 months out?
Yeah, that'll give everybody enough time, so you don't have to rush it. So let's go ahead on and reset it.
And we're keeping it on a Monday?
No, motion to suppress. We're probably gonna put it on a Friday or Thursday, whatever, or Thursday afternoon.
Thursday afternoon, Judge, preferably so.
Yeah, let's do a Thursday afternoon, because we have our jail runs on
March 5th?
Thursday. March 5th. He can look at his calendar.
That works for me.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Yeah, and that's pre-trial. We'll set it for pre-trial hearing, March 5th.
What time?
Let's say 1:30. Because we have our jail run that morning. So to be set for a motion to suppress at 1:30 on March 5th.
Right.
And you're gonna get your reset from our core coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And you'll get a reset as well, and you'll be free to go. And both y'all have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Stay safe.
Thank you. Nice to
Pleasure
meet you.
Same.
Kelly McBride,
Good morning.
Hilton. Okay, this is cause number 25CCCR 2270, case of Style of State of Texas versus Kelly Andrew McBride. Ms. McBride, is that your full name?
Mhm.
How are you doing, Ms. McBride? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. McBride, I was informed that you hired Mr. Alwyn Samuel. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
And now you have a felony case as well. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, that's what I.
What is the court date on that?
They didn't give us one, they doing a reset, a short reset. I told them I'd been hired down here and they're gonna send that to me.
Okay, so what we'll do, we're gonna reset this case. It's gonna be on the same date of your felony case, but our court coordinator is gonna have to check the computer for the court date. So, and then Mr. Samuel is gonna be sending in to us a letter of representation.
Okay,
So, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And, on that day, make sure that you come to this court, check in first, let us know that you're here, and then you go
so.
to
come
fel-
here first.
yeah, to
Yes,
check, you're gonna
okay.
check in with the bailiff. When, you know, she's not gonna be out there, you're gonna check in with her, let her know that you're here, and
Okay,
then go to felony court. And then once you're finishing the felony court, you come back here.
that's what happened. I should have came here first.
Okay, that's not a
That
problem.
lady was looking, okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
that's not a problem. Okay, so, your case is gonna be reset
Mm.
with your felony case. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day, and you're free to go.
Bless that too.
Happy New Year, John.
Yeah, all right. Thank you. All right.
Oh, what's that?
No, you're free to go.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, she'll send the reset to your attorney. And Mr. Cortez. Eduardo Cortez,
They do not speak English, Your Honor.
okay? Okay, court is in session in two cases, cause numbers 25CCCR 0750 and cause number 25CCCR 0752. Both cases are Style of State of Texas versus Eduardo Cortez. And I just been informed that Mr. Cortez does not speak English. I guess he probably speak some English, but he speaks Spanish. However, his attorney, Mr. Charles Rojas, is fluent in Spanish and English, and he will translate for Mr. Cortez. And Mr. Rojas, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Rojas, do you swear to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish? So help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
You may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Rojas?
Doing well, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Rojas, ask your Mr. Cortez if his full name is Eduardo Cortez.
No. Hello. Yes.
Okay.
Eduardo.
Tell him to raise his right hand. Mr. Cortez, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay, you may put your hand down. How are you doing again?
Bien.
Good? That's good. Now, I have before me a document on my computer that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Eduardo Cortez, on or about February 16th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of evading arrest detention. Mr. Cortez, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes.
And to this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Guilty. Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Voluntary. Sí, yes.
Yes. And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Cortez, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Or are these your initials on the line that is titled guilty?
Yes.
Is this your signature on page 3 above the line that's titled defendant?
Yes.
On the next document, this thing just disappeared. Oh, what happened to the document? Document disappeared. No qualifications. Try it again. If I can say lock. Oh, he does. Now, Mr. Cortez, on the next document, this document is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand this statement?
Yes.
The next statement states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand this statement?
Yes.
I have another document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
Mr. Cortez, before you sign and initial these documents, did you read the documents? Well, did your attorney go over these documents with you in Spanish?
Yes.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
Mr. Cortez, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
States Exhibit 1.
Any objections?
No objection.
No objections. States Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Cortez, your attorney, Mr. Rojas, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes.
And Mr. Rojas, you advised and counseled Mr. Cortez. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Cortez, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The essential terms of the agreement are as follows, Your Honor. That it be 1 year deferred adjudication, judge, a $300 fine, 40 hours community service, Your Honor. And that is to run concurrent with 25 CCCR 0752. Correct, Mr. Ross?
Correct, Your Honor.
2. Mr. Ross, were you appointed in these cases?
I was not.
What's the court cause?
277.
The probation fees and urinalysis fees gonna be in this case.
Deal set top.
Okay, Mr. Cortez, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudication probation. During the 1 year probationary period, you will be required to pay a fine of $300 plus court costs of $277. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your analysis fee $15 a month, and a reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $136 a month. Will you be able to pay the $136 each month?
Yes.
Okay. You will also be required to perform 40 hours of community service, and you will be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. This case will run concurrent with the companion case cause number 25CCCR 0752. And Mr. Cortez, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Cortez, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Cortez will move to your next case. The next case is cause number 25CCCR 0752. And in this case, I have before me a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Eduardo Cortez, on or about February 16th of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of theft of property that had a value greater than or equal to $100, but less than $750. Mr. Cortez, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes.
And to this charge, Mr. Cortez, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And Mr. Cortez, I also have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. Do you recognize this document?
Yes.
And on page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that says guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes.
And on page 3 of this same document, there is a signature. Is this your signature?
Yes.
And on the next document, that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, you recognize this document?
Yes.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
Cortez, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you in Spanish?
Yes.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
State, you like to offer State's Exhibit number 1?
So attended, Your Honor.
No objection.
No objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Cortez, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
The agreement is as follows, Your Honor. It would be 1 year deferred adjudication, Your Honor, a $300 fine, 40 hours community service, and that is to run concurrent with 25 CCCR 0750, Judge.
Okay. Okay. Now, Mr. Cortez, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation. And during that 1 year probationary period, you'll be given a fine, you'll be required to pay a fine of $300 plus court costs of $277.
Yes, sir.
You will also be required to pay a reimbursement fee of $15. You will not be required to pay a probation fee in this case, nor will you be required to pay a urinalysis fee in this case because you're paying those fees in the previous case. Now, your monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay in this case, is $54 a month. Will you be able to pay the $54 each month?
Yes.
You will also be required to adhere to the standard terms and conditions of probation in this case. And this case will run concurrent with cause number 25 CCCR 0750. Now, Mr. Cortez, do you understand the state's offer in this case?
Yes.
And do you think that the state's offer is fair and just?
Yes.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes.
Mr. Cortez, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you made in this case. Now, Mr. Cortez, if you successfully complete the probation in each one of these cases will be dismissed. And you will not have a conviction on your record, and you may qualify for a non-disclosure, whereby your record will be sealed to the general public. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Okay. Mr. Cortez, please stand at the end of that table. Follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following the directions of the bailiff, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Rojas, you'll be free to go as well, and you have a blessed day. Thomas Russo? Court is in session and calls number 23 CCCR 2502. Case of style of state of Texas versus Thomas Russo. Mr. Russo, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Russo?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Russo, you're representing your case by your attorney, Dustin Galmore, who's present in court. However, standing in for Mr. Galmore is Ms. Haley Simmons. Uh, does Attorney Simmons have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes, sir.
And, Ms. Simmons, again, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Simmons, would you like to keep this case on the court's trial docket?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a reset date.
February 9th.
Okay, this case will be reset for trial February 9th, 2026. Mr. Russo, you get a copy of your reset from our coordinator. Once you get a copy, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
And Ms. Simmons, you'll do the same. And you have a
Thank you,
blessed day as well. Well. Then how are you doing, Mr. Galmore?
Judge, good, how
Good morning. Charles William Ritchie Jr.
How you doing? Good, Frank, how are you?
We have cause numbers M 332-144 and cause number M 332-146. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Charles William Ritchie Jr. And Mr. Ritchie, how are you doing?
Doing well, how are you, Your Honor?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Ritchie, you're represented by your attorney, Ryan Gertz. Mr. Gertz, how are you doing?
Doing great, Judge.
That's good. And Mr. Gertz, you'd like to keep Mr. Ritchie's cases on the court's trial docket?
Yes, please.
Okay. February 9th, okay. Okay, these cases will be reset to February 9th. Mr. Ritchie, you're gonna get your recess from our work coordinator. Once you get your recess, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Did Daniel Wallace appear?
No, didn't respond.
That's unusual for him.
You want to see if you can
I want
make
to,
contact
maybe if
with
I
him?
can see if I can get him to pop on Zoom or something.
Okay.
If the court's okay with that, because it's not,
That's
it's
fine.
not the norm for him to not appear.
Okay.
So, and he,
See, this one is not a trial set with other cases.
feel from the attorney.
it's not a traffic case, it's a, they're both, I think they're hunting related, but when it's
Do you have any objections to that?
None at all, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah. All right,
I'll make sure he does, Judge.
okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, okay, your full name is Edward Askew?
Yes.
How are you doing?
Good.
I'm doing fine. Now, you're represented by attorney Philip Dowden. Mr. Dowden is not here today, he's ill, and so your case will be reset. Our court coordinator is gonna reset your case. When she resets your case, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. And wait for your name to be called.
Not this one. I'll do the 252nd. But to sit up there, witness control.
Okay, what are we doing on, bro? Oh, that's right, we're waiting on that affidavit.
Yeah, I'm going to step outside. for me.
Okay,
What's the name again?
which one, bro?
It's a-
Dwayne Isaac. That's the defendant's name,
Yes, sir.
but I think that, okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's see, we have Mitchell Mark Warner,
It'll be.
okay. And well, we already did that one. That one was reset. I didn't, oh, she had two cases. I missed that.
No, he's out. He'll stay out of trouble with it.
Okay, so check. Mr. Kimber, you have Kenya Coleman. Kenya. Okay. Ms. Coleman, your full name is Kenya M. Coleman? How you doing, Ms. Coleman? That's good. Ms. Coleman, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Ralph Kimler. Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Well, Your Honor, thank you.
And Mr. Kimler, you like to keep Ms. Coleman's case on the trial docket?
Yes, Your Honor.
You give us a date, that February.
Um,
Okay, case will be reset for trial February 9th, 2026. Ms. Coleman, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Thank you. Dwayne Albert Hickman. Okay, this is a case that was transferred from County Court Law number 3. Mr. Hickman, your full name is Dwayne Albert Hickman. How are you doing, Mr. Hickman?
Good, how about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Kimberly, you like to?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hickman,
Charles.
okay,
February.
let's reset the February 9 as well. Mr. Hickman, you get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go.
Thank
You have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that second chair on the wall.
I want to look at it.
Brandon Honey. How you doing, Mr. Honey?
Good, sir.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. You represented by Mr. Kimmer. And Mr. Kimmer, you like to keep Mr. Honey's case on the trial docket?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. It's gonna be February the 9th.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Honey, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go.
Okay.
And you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Yeah. James Steve Shelnut Jr. Mr. Shelnut, you're represented in your cases by your attorney Ralph Kimler. And Mr. Shelnut, how are you doing?
Doing well, you
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Mr. Kimler, you like to place Mr. Shelnut's cases on the trial docket?
Yes, sir. Leave it on the travel.
Okay, yeah, on the trial docket. Give us a reset date. What's that next? 16th?
16.
Okay. These cases reset February 16, 2026. Mr. Shelnut, you get your recess from our court coordinator. Once you get your recess, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that third chair on the wall. You still have, okay, that's it.
One, I gotta get him.
Okay.
Thank you. Is that the one that's in there?
Yeah. They should have one. We take care of that other amount.
That's 6 weeks.
There, Mr. Matuska. Yeah, he is. Mr. Matuska, you need time to talk to the prosecutors about your case? Or?
Yes, sir, man.
Yes, okay, we'll hold on it. We doing on move. Mr. Boudreaux, are you ready on your cases?
No, sure.
You want me to hold? Okay, I'll hold. Two. Hold on a minute. Now, Mr. Shelnut, full name is James Steve Shelnut Jr.
Yeah.
Would you please raise your right hand? Swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. You may put your hand down. Now, Mr. Shelnut, I have before me some bond conditions that I need to go over with you. And it states standard bond conditions in county court at law number 2. Following the return of criminal information in county court at law number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein or ordered subject to the additional conditions. Number 1, defendant shall commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Do you understand that condition? Condition number 2, defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's.
It was filed in,
Both cause numbers on it?
yeah.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
you already have the bond conditions, all right. So, she's gonna give you, oh, you already gave him the, the verification, all right? So you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
You as well, sir.
Thank you.
Bless you. Thank you.
All right, thank you. She put him in,
It was,
she wants to put him in both cases,
it was in.
yeah.
One. On the days. Yes.
Mitchell Mark Warner.
He's got to sign
Oh, okay.
it. Sign it.
This is cause number 23 CCCR 1908. Case of style of state of Texas versus Mitchell Mark Warner. Mr. Warner, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Warner, would you please raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Warner, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Warner?
Doing fine, you said.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Warner. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Ralph Kimler. And Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Well, thank you.
Mr. Kimler, do you waive a record in Mr. Warner's case?
So,
Mr. Warner, I have before me on my computer a document, excuse me, that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, this information alleges that you, Mitchell Mark Warner, on or about July 18th of 2023, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of resisting arrest, search, transportation. Mr. Warner, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, Your Honor.
And to this charge, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, and no contest?
guilty.
Guilty. Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Okay, Mr. Warner, I also have before me on my computer tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. You place your initials on this document.
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of the same document,
I would add search.
okay, that's not.
Talk to you later.
Oh, you get into it? Well, never mind. It just popped up. It says locked. See, okay, this just opened up. Okay, now, Mr. Warner,
Yes, sir.
on page 3 of State's Exhibit number 1, there's a signature on the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification, a defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
The second box that's checked states that you are waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Warner, before you signed and initialed all of the documents that I just showed you, did your attorney, Mr. Kimler, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir, he did.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State, you like to offer states 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
No objection.
No objection, states exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Now, Mr. Warner, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you satisfied with the services of your attorney?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Kimler, you advised and counseled Mr. Warner, is there any evidence that he's currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
There's no, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Warner, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
Yes, we do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court for 20 days in county jail with credit for 6 days. And Your Honor, the defendant is to report to the Jefferson County Jail by Friday, January 9th, 2026 by 6 p.m.
No later than 6 p.m.
That's Friday, what date?
January 9th.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
They report in a sober condition.
Yeah.
What's the court cost in this?
We're gonna tax you entirely, court costs.
Well, the way the jail is gonna read it, if there's court cost on it. What they do, they exhaust the jail time first. If there's court costs left, then they assess that. But let me do this here. Now, Mr. Warner, the state is offering that you serve 20 days in the Jefferson County Jail. However, you'll be given credit for the 6 days that you have already served.
Yes.
The court cost in this case is $277. Are you able to pay the $277 court cost?
Not right now. I could if I made a phone call
No, I mean, he don't have to pay it now. I mean, he could pay it by,
or
yeah. But the only problem, he would have to pay that downstairs in the county clerk's office.
Before you went to jail. Downstairs.
Okay,
yes, sir.
all right. Now, your jail time is to begin Friday, January the 9th at or before 6 p.m. Do you understand? Now, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Warner, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, once that court cost is paid, then what you need to do is bring a receipt up to the court room.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now if we're out of session, like if you come in the afternoon and we're out of session, there's some blue doors right next to the court, right outside the courtroom. Go through those blue doors, walk down the hall. It should be a receptionist sitting behind the glass windows. And you can tell her while you're here, she'll contact our court coordinators
Yes, Your Honor.
to get a copy of your receipt.
So pay it downstairs.
Yeah, in the county clerk's office.
Okay.
And then when you go, you're gonna bring that judgment with you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
The paperwork from-
All right. You
You get
give them that date, put it on that date,
6, you get
on
credit.
January. It's, you know, if you do it before. Yeah, that's the deadline.
No, 6 p.m. You get there before 6 p.m. to do it.
Okay.
Oh,
That's why I say 6 p.m.
I mean, I can go any day before that.
Yeah.
Right?
yeah, you can.
Yeah,
Okay.
just go like right at like 5:45, because you get credit for that. Yes, sir.
Right.
Oh,
So you
yeah.
gotta get booked in for 6.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
understand that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna have,
Good luck.
all right,
Come see me.
you can take off that tax return. Oh, yeah, no, you're gonna stand at the end of that table and you're gonna follow the directions of the, okay, have a seat, okay. All right, yeah, just have a seat in that chair. And when the bailiff is ready, she's gonna call you up to the end of that table. to go over the paperwork. Once you finish up with the paperwork, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right.
Danny Wallace is on.
Okay, let me do this here. Well, that was on the. Okay, this is cause number, well, court is in session and cause numbers 23 CCCR 2415 and cause number M333321. Case is style of state of Texas versus Daniel Paul Wallace. And Mr. Wallace is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Wallace, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge, and yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Wallace, your attorney, Mr. Gertz, was here earlier and he announced that we'll reset this case. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Now, we're gonna keep it on the trial docket. We'll give a standard reset, keep it on the same docket. Now, Mr. Wallace, your reset will be sent to your attorney and your bondsman. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Because they'll be giving you a reset. Now on that date, give us a court date.
February 16th.
Okay, this case, or these cases will be reset to February 16th, 2026. And on that date, you need to be in court in person. You're free to go. And you have a blessed day. And it's at 9 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor.
February 16th, 2026. All right, you're free to
All
go
right.
and you have a blessed day.
Thank you. You as well.
You're welcome. Raymond E. Grant. Mr. Grant, your full name is Raymond E. Grant.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Grant? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Grant, you're represented by your attorney, Ryan Matuska. Mr. Matuska, how are you doing?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. And Mr. Matuska, you'd like to keep Mr. Grant's case on the trial docket?
Yes, sir. It appears as though maybe there was an email sent to me regarding the video that I didn't get downloaded properly.
Okay, so you still, it's discovery? Okay, discovery. Okay, we'll reset your case. Give us a reset date. This is on Raymond Grant, page 5, trial docket. Yes, he's going to. Okay. Okay, Mr. Grant, your case will be reset to February 16th, 2026. For trial, give your attorney an opportunity to complete the discovery in this case.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
You're gonna get your reset from our coordinator once you get your reset? Yes,
Your Honor, I have a vacation letter.
you did? Okay, give us another date.
When are you off vacation?
She said, when are you off?
February.
I'm off Monday and Tuesday.
No.
On vacation.
Okay, it'll be the following week. It'll be February.
Yeah, just the 2 days, Monday and Tuesday that week.
23rd.
Okay,
Okay.
so it'll be reset to February 23rd. Mr. Grant, you get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. Have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Joseph R. Rubin III. Mr. Rubin, your full name is Joseph R. Rubin III. How are you doing, Mr. Rubin? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Rubin, you represented in cases by your attorney, Mr. Matuska. Mr. Matuska, you like to keep Mr. Rubin's case?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a so you can reset it to the same date?
Yeah.
Okay, your case will be reset to February 23rd of 2026. Trial, Mr. Rubin, you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you will be free to go and you'll have a blessed day. Just have a seat in that second chair on the wall.
Your Honor, I believe that's all I have.
Okay, Mr. Matuska, you're free to go
Thank you, Your Honor.
and you have a blessed day. Did we hear anything back on your case, Mr. Grove?
He was an investigator now.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Williams is working on Judge.
Okay. Is Mr. Mr. Boutro, what are we doing on your cases?
We're about to get it finished up, Judge.
Okay, thanks. We'll call it when we're ready. session and cause number 25 CCCR 0994. Case and style of state of Texas versus Dwayne Isaac. Mr. Isaac, would you please come forward? Mr. Isaac, your full name is Dwayne Isaac.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Isaac?
doing good. What about you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr.
Yes,
Isaac,
sir.
you represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney David Grove. Mr. Grove, how are you doing?
Real good, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Williams, I have before me a motion to dismiss the case against Mr. Dwayne Isaac. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay. And Mr. Isaac, I'm going to sign this motion that was filed by the state
Yes, sir.
to dismiss this case. Okay, I just filed this motion. Well, I just signed the motion to dismiss this case against you.
Yes,
Mr. Isaac, you'll be able to get a copy of the dismissal in about 1 minute from our court coordinator.
Yes, sir.
Once you get a copy of the dismissal, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
And you have a blessed day.
Thank you. You too, Judge.
Okay, and you'll be able to get a copy as well, Mr. Rowe.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah, hang around here a while. We'll
Yes, sir.
get you a copy.
Jefferson County Court Number 2 is back in session. Court is in session in 3 cases, cause numbers 24 CCCR 0158 and cause number 24 CCCR 0159 and cause number 24 CCCR 0426. All 3 cases are style of state of Texas versus Keelan Randolph. Mr. Randolph, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Randolph, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Randolph, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Randolph? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Randolph, you are represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Donald Boudreaux. Mr. Boudreaux, how are you doing?
Just fine, sir.
And Mr. Boudreaux, do you waive a record in Mr. Randolph's cases?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Randolph, in cause number 24 CCCR 0158, I have before me a document that is titled information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Keelan Randolph, on or about June 26th of 2023, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of unlawfully carrying a weapon. Mr. Randolph, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, Mr. Randolph, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Ms. Randolph, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked Nola Contendere. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
And on page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
Where's the discovery certification? Okay. I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Mr. Randolph, do you recognize this document?
Yes.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Randolph, before you signed and initialed all of the documents that I just showed you, did your attorney, Mr. Boudreaux, go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything that Mr. Boudreaux went over?
Sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? And Mr. Randolph, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
State's Office, State's Exhibit 1, Your Honor. No objection.
No objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Boudreaux, you have advised and counseled Mr. Randolph. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial? And Mr. Randolph, your attorney, Mr. Boudreaux, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Mr. Randolph, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
3 days, jail judge and credit for the 3 days that time served, time actually served.
Okay, and what are you doing with the weapon in this case?
What do you mean? Judge?
The weapon is an unlawful carry.
Oh, yes, Judge, there is a forfeiture of the weapon and it is described on the forfeiture.
Okay,
Oh,
I have it.
okay, Judge.
Now, Mr. Randolph, I have before me a document that is titled Motion to Forfeit the Weapon, in this case, to the Beaumont Police Department in the state of Texas. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Randolph, before you signed and initialed this document, did your attorney, Mr. Boudreaux, go over this document with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr.
So offered, Your Honor.
Okay. And you have any objections to state
No,
arguments?
sir.
Okay. Now, the state, now what's the court cost in this case?
277.
He has 3 days credit? Okay, so that'll be tax and retired.
Tax on retired.
Yeah, because he has the 3 days will consume the fine and court costs. All right. Okay, so now, Mr. Randolph, the state is offering that you serve 3 days in the Jefferson County Jail, but you will not have to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you've already served 3 days in the Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you've given credit for the time that you've already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you will not be required to pay the court costs because the time that you have spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Randolph, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer? Mr. Randolph, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Mr. Boudreaux, take your hands off the bench. All right, now, next case we have is cause number 24 CCCR 0159. And in this case, Mr. Randolph, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. And in this information, it alleges that you, Keelan Randolph, on or about June 26th of 2023, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of failed to identify by giving false or fictitious information. Do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, sir.
I think it was checked as an A, Judge, but it's a B.
Oh, yeah, hold on, I hadn't got this. Yeah, you're gonna. Right. Now, Mr. Randolph, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Mr. Randolph, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest? Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Mr. Randolph, I have before me a document on my tablet that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. This document is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? Now, on this document, there's one box on the first page. There's one box that's checked. It states that this is a Class B misdemeanor. And the range of punishment for a Class B misdemeanor is a minimum of 0 days to a maximum of 180 days or 6 months in the county jail. Or you could be given a fine that does not exceed $2,000, or you could be given both such fine and confinement. Do you understand the range of punishment for this Class B misdemeanor? On page 2 of this same document, there are a set of initials on a line next to a box that's checked no contest or no contendere. Did you place your initials on this
Yes, sir.
document? On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
And on the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, you recognize this document. And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes.
The second box states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? Now, Mr. Randolph, before you signed and initialed all of the documents that I've shown you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? State, would you like to offer State's Exhibit Number 1 in this
So
case?
appended, Your Honor.
Any objections, Mr. Boudreaux?
Yes, sir.
No objections?
No objection.
Okay, no objections. State's Exhibit Number 1 is admitted. And Mr. Randolph, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
3 days in the county jail, judge, time served, time actually served.
Okay, Mr. Randolph, the state is offering that you serve 3 days in the Jefferson County Jail. You will not have to serve any more time in the Jefferson County Jail on this case because you've already served 3 days in Jefferson County Jail. Therefore, you'll be given credit for the time that you've already served. The court costs in this case will be taxed and retired. That simply means that you will not be required to pay the court costs because the time that you've spent in jail has already paid off the court costs. Therefore, the court costs will be taxed and retired. Mr. Randolph, do you understand the state's offer in this case?
Yes, sir.
And do you think that the state's offer is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Randolph, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. And state, I have before me a motion to dismiss the case in cause number 24CCCR 0426. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay,
Those
Mr.
are the same set of operative facts as a felony judge for which he's already been duly sentenced to a term of deferred adjudication. I
Okay,
think the interest of justice would best be served by the dismissal on that, which is separate and apart from the other 2 matters, Your Honor.
okay. Now, Mr. Randolph, I'm signing a motion to dismiss this misdemeanor case. And you'll be able to get a copy of this motion from our court coordinator, Mr. Randolph. Just have a seat in that first chair on the wall. Wait for your name to be called by the court coordinator. Once your name is called, you're going to stand next to the bailiff, follow her directions. Once you finish following her directions, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Boudreaux, you are free to go. You have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. I think that's it. And this will conclude the calling of the court's trial docket, pretrial conference docket, and announcement docket in County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, on January 5th, 2026. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. Prosecutor, Mr. Williams, you're free to go. And Mr. Boudreaux, you're also free to go.
Thank you.
And everyone, please have a blessed day and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.